Hare Krishna. All of us, we all know His Holiness Bhakti Prem Swami Maharaj. We are all very fortunate to have him with us in this Gauranga Sabha meeting. So let us all welcome His Holiness Bhakti Prem Swami Maharaj by loudly chanting 3 times. Hari Bol, Hari Bol, Hari Bol. A small and brief introduction about Maharaj. Maharaj was a doctor in his career, and after that, Maharaj joined as a 1 to 4, and after that, Maharaj served in ISKCON Ujjain. Maharaj served as a resident there in ISKCON Ujjain, the Sri Sri Radha Madan Mohan Temple, and there Maharaj was also involved in other projects like Food for Life and the DT Altar department and other departments in Ujjain. And now Maharaj is preaching all over the world this Krishna consciousness, and we are all very fortunate to have Maharaj with us. Thank you, Maharaj, for your answer.
जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी जय राधा माधव कुंज बिहारी गोपीजना वल्लभ गोपीजना वल्लभ Sudanandana Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Swami Guru Bhakti Om Jnanati Mirandasya Jnanandjana Shri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Shri Ram Sakyajatam Swadvaitam Savadvitam Krishna Chaitanya Shri Radha Krishna Padam Sagadam Namam Vishnu Padaya Krishna Krishna Vitale Namaste Saraswati Devi Hey Krishna Karna Sindhu Tapta Kanchana Gauranga Radhe Vrindavan Panchakavatari Vaishnava Shri Krishna Chaitanya Shri Advaita Gadadhar Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Ram Ram Shri Prabhupada Welcome. You are first time here in Jagannath Puri? Quite a good number. Yes, Jagannath is very merciful. With Jagannath actually, Krishna himself, Jagannath, for actually merciful appearance of Krishna. When Krishna is so eager to meet his devotees, that is why he transformed himself. Krishna was in separation for a long time from the Brajavasis. After a very long gap, when he saw Brajavasis, gopis in Kurukshetra from the chariot, he was so happy. His eye, to see them, eye became very big. And due to happiness, laughing, his mouth extended up to ear. And he stretched out his hand to embrace them. From my hand extends, having scrutinized has seen the deity. The hand is extended from the shoulder or from the head. Who has seen as from where the hand is coming? Huh? Again seen as from where the hand is coming? The hand is coming like this. Hand is coming from here. So eager to embrace. Then we so much. And well situated here. Pratik, accommodation is okay. Good rest. Prasad, no chapatis. When it was first time students from the Ujjain, they complain, no chapatis. But in Jagannath Puri, not only Madhyavadi Valley, from the whole world, nobody complained, no chapatis. feeling chapati sickness? Jagannath Prasad is so famous. Madhya Pradesh thinks if I don't take in a chapati, I have not taken anything. If Bengali think about rice, he said I have not taken anything. But in Jagannath Puri, or Jagannath, there is another. By eating rice, you can forget chapati also. Jagannath Prasad is so famous. Am I right? If your whole life you can eat prasad like this, can you remember chapati? No. That is the glory of Jagannath Prasad. So, I think journey was all right, comfortable. Journey prasad was okay. Now one question I want to ask, a quick answer. If you see 1 kilo gold at night in the middle of the forest, what do you do? Huh? Take it. And after taking it, what do you do? Huh? Huh? Hide that gold. Not use it. If you get in the street 1 crore rupees, what will you do? 1 crore rupees you will get in the street, what will you do? Huh? Take it. If you have one bag of full of gold coins in the airport, what will you do? Huh? What will you do? हाँ अभी पता अथॉरिटी बताएंगे इसको पहले पता नहीं था now when I think of airport that thing from authority why you are feeling the thing from authority you can give answer yes CC camera is there not a custom in the airport there is no custom so CC camera is there who has but in the forest there is no CC camera that is it but one thing why you are fearful of a CC camera huh? Because that wealth does not belong to you. But the forest, whose wealth? That one? That belongs to you? That also does not belong to us. But no CC camera is there. That is the difference. If there is CC camera in the forest also, then like if in the forest you saw some tiger is dead there. What do you do there? Lying dead. What do you do? Huh? You will take the skin of the bones. So costly. So costly. If you put that in your home, next the police will come. From high this. Why you have to take that? You found a dead tiger in the forest, you got the skin, but police will catch you. Why? Why police is come? In the river, if you kill a crocodile, and bring it to your home, what will happen? Police will catch you. Who has given you the authority to kill a crocodile? It's our. So that means, if you apply common sense, why police will capture us? Because that thing does not belong to us. You have no right to kill a crocodile also. You have no right to kill a tiger also. So nothing, this type of thing, nothing belongs to us. In the same way, if you see our body was taken from this nature, is nature belongs to us? So we have taken all the materials to make this body from the nature. This body does not belong to us. So if something not belongs to us, can you offer to someone? If you go to the bank and you say, I am offering all the money to this Bhubaneswar Rashis, can you say like this? You stand in front of the gate of the bank and announce, I am offering all money to the Bhubaneswar Rashis. It's condemned, especially. Why cannot say like that? Because it does not belong to us. So this, our body also does not belong to us. That is what is the question of offering. If you have something that you can offer, if you see a bag in the airport filled with gold coins, can you offer to the police station? I am offering this. Can you say to the police? I am offering to any police station. Can you say like this? Why? It does not belong to you. The same way, our body also does not belong to us. How can you offer? But everything belongs to Krishna and we are son of Krishna. So we have some right to enjoy father's property. That is why this body is given to us. That is why it is our property. It. Like you are a collector. You can you sell out this building? With my building, I can now sell this. Can you sell it? Why? As a collector, you are using. But when you will go, why you cannot sell this? If you are using that, yes, you have the right to use that, but you have no right to sell this. When you go, offer this, return back to the government. So our body also wonderful gift of nature. Why collect? And if we perform his responsibility nicely, he will get more facilities. In the same way, best facilities as we have and for Krishna has given through nature this opportunity. If we use it in Krishna's service, Krishna will give more facilities. You can see devotees. Srila Prabhupada, he has offered his life to Krishna, and Krishna has provided so many things. Not only human form of life. Few days ago, I think yesterday you also went Siddhavapur. Who has went Siddhavapur? Siddhavapur is a tree. But everybody who has paid obeisance to Siddhavapur, please raise their hand. Who has not paid obeisance to Siddhavapur, please raise their hand. Who has not paid obeisances to Siddhavapur tree, please raise their hand. Next time you won't go, pay obeisances. Everybody except one. So everybody paid. Who has paid obeisances to Siddhavapur, please raise their hand. Why you have paid obeisances? Because he has offered his body in service of the Vaishnava, especially Haridas. He has given shade Haridas Thakur, and those who came there meet Haridas Thakur. As a tree, he has given shade. Due to their simple service, people from the whole world coming and paying obeisances. So see the glory of serving others. Simply tree. Every tree is giving shade, but that tree has given shade to Haridas Thakur and his devotees. That is, your whole world is coming to pay obeisance to Siddhavapur. As a human being, you may be so proud. Who knows your name? Your district people doesn't know, but Siddhavapur's name whole world knows. The Gokul tree became famous, his name is so famous. How many places your picture can see? But so many places you can see the picture of Siddhavapur. Why? Simply he has sacrificed his life. All his life for serving the Vaishnavas, especially pure Haridas Thakur. If we don't offer to Krishna, then we offer to Jamraj. If we don't offer to Krishna, then fox and jackals. We can offer this only to Krishna. If we don't give, then if we die, fox and jackal will eat. We have to offer. Now, where I should offer, I should say. In Mayapur 1977, Prabhupada was taking mustard oil massage in his body. Shishima Bhakti Charisma Guru Maharaj was there that time showing some work. So Prabhupada was taking massage and he was telling Guru Maharaj, offer this life to Krishna. Then Prabhupada said, if nothing happens, don't worry. It's one lifetime out of many. This human form of life is one lifetime out of many. So Prabhupada said, at least offer one lifetime. See what happens. In the market, so many soaps, toothpastes, so much advertise. So okay, let's see one time, at least 1 month. If it is not good, then next time I will again go back to my previous brand. Prabhupada has given the same offer. At least give this lifetime. Then Prabhupada mentioned the human form of life, materialistic with the people. What is the enjoyment? Like a camel. Camel is chewing the thorn, and due to pricking this bleeding, and whose own blood touches the tongue, and is thinking this thorn is so tasty. Same way, we are going to hold our liver and we are getting little token pleasure. And I think this is so pleasure. That is why we should become little intelligent. Like in the beginning, the example I have given. Why you are not touching the bag, you have to go in the airport. But you are taking from the forest. Why? Because we don't know the relationship. Whose money in the forest that is taken. But in the airport, we know the relationship. That money does not belong to me. It belongs to someone. That is why we don't touch. The same way, this body, we are not offering to Krishna. But we should take little time and think ourselves. Whose body? From where it comes? What is the relationship? If we give something to its owner, it is difficult. So that is why it is so important to know the relationship. Who am I? What is the relationship with my body? And who is the owner of the body? This message is there, Bhagavad Gita and other Vedic scriptures. But we are so unfortunate that we have no such proper teacher and we have no such inclination to know this knowledge. By the mercy of Krishna, now the proper arrangement done through Srila Prabhupada, he has translated all the important Vedic literature very easy way to understand. And also he has created nice arrangement to learn that through teachers and in institution. To learn with teachers in institution and who are so nicely arranged that thing. Teachers and institutions. The devotees of ISKCON are the teachers and ISKCON is an institution. So, and we are seeing that due to the preaching through ISKCON, people so easily they're changing their life. They got to, yes, actually they're hankering to know all this knowledge. But nobody told them before. It happens with us also. And this so sublime knowledge, it was unknown to practically everyone. This knowledge came through discipline, success knowledge through the pure souls. But the Krishna's arrangement, this knowledge is freely available. Can you imagine the Bhagavad Gita, Srimad Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Charitamrita, and 500 years ago, 1000 years ago, you cannot get book. You have to go some Muni Rishi's cottage, there's hand it in the palm leaf. You should memorize there and come back. Now that come in the form of book, not only book, and now the form of different applications. So easy. And when it's so easily available, then we should take this kind of advantage of these facilities. We are so fortunate that this information we are getting in a right time. Just imagine you are coming from somewhere, or you are going from here, and you get down your local station at 3:30. There is currently announcement going on today from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. We will give everyone 1 crore rupees. They will come with their Aadhaar card. 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. But you get down there 3:30. After getting down, you see the long queue. Within half an hour, it will not finish. How will you feel? Why I have not taken the previous train? But you get down at 6 a.m. That time you got the news. Everybody get 1 crore rupees. It will given into one card for the Aadhaar card from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. What will you do? Immediately call your family member also. And even someone brother in Mumbai also. Tell him, buy your ticket, come directly here. So you have enough time to get that. So now on young age actually is the right time. We have received this knowledge in a proper time. Can you imagine if you get to know at 3:30, the 4 p.m. is the last time, how you feel? Unless the heartbeat will increase. So now think about it properly. What you have received, wonderful gift through ISKCON. Who am I? What is my duty? Other people may not know, they don't know, they can waste their life. But after knowing that, if you waste, you will suffer more. Like two friends, one has received 1 crore rupees in lottery, and when they're coming, both friends, one decade come, to come. Who will suffer more? Huh? Both friend or one friend? Who will suffer more? He who got that money. In the same way, we have received this wealth. If we don't use properly, who will suffer more? These materialistic people or we? So that is why we should become very cautious. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told Rupa Goswami, this knowledge is very rare. Brahmanda Brahmite Kono Bhattamati. Brahmanda Brahmite. In Brahmanda, you can night time you can see so many planets, stars. All planets are filled up with living entities. So we have traveled all the planets in different forms, in different species. But this lifetime we come across Guru and Krishna. You travel like, just imagine, in front of us so many living entities. They were discussing and understanding. Who other than human being can understand? Nobody. In our previous life, maybe in the tree, so many sadhu Sannyasi just passed by, but we have not understood. But it is possible in human form of life. That is why, and in human form of life, not everybody taking seriously. Mahaprabhu said, Brahmanda Bhramite Kono Bhagyanat. Guru Krishna Prasadavaya Bhakti Radha. Just imagine how many species of life? 84 lakh. After 8.4 million. 8.4 million species, not living entities. Like ant is one species. In ant, how many ants are there in ant species? Billions, trillions of ants are there. So how many living entities are there? So just consider species only. 8.4 million. Near about 10 million. 10 million means 10 to the power 6. 10 million means 10 to the power 7. 10 million means 10 to the power 7. So our chance of human being 10 to the power 7 out of 10 to the power 7, 1. And is human form of life. Is everybody conscious about Krishna? There are 3 types: civilized, uncivilized, and semi-civilized. Whose number is more? Uncivilized. And those who are civilized means this will follow Vedic injection. And those who are civilized, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said, Vedavadi Monte Keval Ved Mukheman. They're following the rules. So, maximum actually karmis.